Assalamu alaikum students, hope all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher, and we are going to starting our next lecture 3. All the students, before starting the lecture, sit properly and be comfort, be careful and be attentive. Okay, my advice to all the students, must see my previous 2 lecture for this class. This is about page number 7, and this lecture is easy. If you saw the student who revised my previous lecture, the next lecture will be easy for that students. Okay, let's start our today's lecture. This is about page number 7, question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 we will do. I solve some question, but the remaining question you will solve, and it inshallah it become easy concept based lecture. So all of you, okay, all right, let's start today first lecture. First question, numbers in words. Numbers in words. We have to write numbers in word. So before this we learned a chart, a table of standard, international standard table that we have already learned in first lecture and second lecture also. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, repeat with me, all of you. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. That's all. Okay, all right. Next, numbers in words. We have to write numbers in words. If you know the place value of the number, you people can write number in words. A very simple. I will not write. I just explain to all of you people. This is ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay, this is also 100. 1,000. Okay, 10,000, 100,000. All right. Million, 10 million. Clear? So 2 is here at the place of 10 million. If I ask any other question, okay, tell me the place value of 2. 20 million. Yes. Okay. The place value of 7. 7 million. The place value of 3. 300,000. Clear all of you? Okay. The next is 27. Let's start to write the number in words. Okay. Now we are converting. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So it means 27 million. Yes. 27 million. 389,000. 389,000. Again, 27 million. 389,000. Clear all of you? 27 million. 389,100. Clear? Easy? Yes. Okay. Next question. Read all of you. This one is ones or unit. Tens. Okay. Tell. 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Clear all of you? Okay. Just tell. 497,000. Clear? 497,000. Done. And 560. Is it clear all of you? Okay, you will just repeat the table again and again, the international standard chart that we already made in the previous lecture. So must see the previous lecture so that it become easy for you. It's not so difficult, not a complicated thing. It's an easy thing. A little bit effort needed to learn this. Okay, question number 7. Place value of circle digit. Okay, the previous chart will also do this. If you know, okay, the circle number, the number that are in circle, we have to tell the place value. We will also discuss other, but comparatively 8 more properly as compared to other. Okay, 7. If I ask the place value of 8, okay, if you don't want to say direct, no issue, you can count ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. I would like to say that the students who are listening me, they can repeat by their self. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Absolutely yes. Okay. It means this is at tens place. Okay. 80 million. Yes, 80 million. Clear all of you? Okay, if I ask about, tell about 9, the place value of 9. Okay, if you want to say direct, you can say direct, but if you want to count, you can count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 9 million. Is that clear, all of you? The place value of 9 is 9 million. The place value of 7 is, yes. Hurry up, think for 5 seconds. All of you, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Did you think? Okay, clear. 700 million. Then you will count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 700 million. Is that clear, all of you? This is the place value of 7. I'm not talking about the number in words. Clear? This is the place value of 7. Okay, make it sure. The next is here. The 0, oh yes, a little bit confusion is there. If there is 1, 2, 3, then I can say 1 million, 100,000, 10 million, like this. But here 0 is indicated. So how we can describe 0? Okay, so easy, no issue. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 0, 100,000. So don't write 0, 100,000. Write 100,000 only. Is that clear? Okay, again I will explain. This place, don't see the digit, whatever the digit, no issue, we have no issue. Okay, the place of the digit. What is the place? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. The name of place is 100,000. So when we see the digit, here it is 0. So no need to write 0, write 100,000. Is that clear, all of you? Okay, it should be clear because it's so easy. Okay, if I ask the place value of this one, what you will tell? Think. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Yes, 10,000 only. 10,000. Must think for this. Okay, a very simple. Must think for this. Okay, the place value of this 4 is. Hurry up, hurry up. For 5, you have 5 seconds. Must listen. Okay, must practice this. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 4 million. Clear, all of you? If I ask about this will be 10 million. Clear? So the whole place value you people come to know. Okay, must you will do this 0, and write here 0, here 0. And if there is one more digit, the previous, you will do practice for one more time. Okay, this will be your assignment for all of you. Okay, write the predecessors of, okay ji, of this question. I already told, it's already done in the previous lecture, but I want to do this again so that all the confusion regarding predecessors, successors, and this number in words and place value has done. Okay, write the predecessor of this and this. What is mean by predecessor? The number previous to the present number, the number previous to the current number. Look, I have number 3. The number behind the 3 is equal to 2. Okay, that will be the predecessors. Okay, let's see here 8. So what will the previous number is? Previous number will be, we will write here 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 0, 7. Yes, this is the predecessor. Also for this 4, 9, 7, 2, 1, 5. This is 10. So make it 9. Yes, like this. After 9 there will be 10. Clear, all of you? This is the predecessors. Hope so you understand. Write the successors. Okay, successors are the coming number. Okay, the number next to the current number. Look, I have a current number is 15. What will be the successor? 16 after the number. Okay, so just write 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 0 and 0, 0. Yes, hurry up, think. What do we have to write? 1. Clear? This is the successor. Clear, all of you? Okay, the next also we'll solve this. 5, 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 8, 9. Yes, what we have to write? 989. Then it will become 990, the successor of these two numbers. It means the number that are coming. The number next to the current number is called successors. This will be, we increase by 1, both 2s. Okay, numbers in expanded form, this already did in the previous lecture, but it will make a practice for us. Okay, expanded form. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 80 million will be there. We will write 80. No, if you want to write comma, no issue, but we can give proper space. Hurry up, finish this fast. 80 million. Then there is 3 million. We will write plus sign 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, like this. Then after plus sign 1, this is 100,000. Okay, 100,000, like this. Then after plus, this is 5, 50. What will be 5? 50,000. This will be for 5, the place value 5, 50,000, 50, like this. Okay, and then next I will write here plus. You can, if you have a space, then you can write next. Okay, then next 3,000, it will be 3,000. Okay, the next is here 200, and the next is, the last digit is 6. Is that clear, all of you? Okay, this is so simple. You just have to write in expanded form. After collecting all these number, we will get this 80 million, 3 million, after that 100,000, yes, and after that 50,000, after that 3,000, after that 200, after that 6. Okay, the new thing is here. Be careful before doing this. This is a symbol. Two symbols are here. If I put here this symbol in a bigger form, this symbol, look, this symbol, one side is open side. The symbol, look, the right side is open, the left side is closed. Yes, the open side will tell us about greatest number. Make it sure in your mind. The open side of that symbol will tell us the greatest number, and the closed side will tell us the smallest number. Okay, look, I have two numbers like this. I'm talking about 3 and 4. Look, 40 and 30. Look, two numbers I have. Which one is greater? You know, you people all know. 30, 40. 40 is greater, 30 is less. So 40 will remain here and 30 will remain here, like this. Clear, all of you? So it means this symbol, the opening side of this symbol tell us the greatest number. Okay, now we have to put this or this, anyone in place of these two numbers. So which one is greater? Okay, tell us. 6984, 894. Look, other are same. This is 894, this is 984. 894, this one is greater, so this sign will be put here, like this. So the opening side will is telling that this number is greater. Okay, this symbol is for greatest or smallest. If there is an opening side, then it means that the number is opening side tells us about the greatest number, the closed side tell us about the smallest number. So this has done. So hope so you people understand all these, and I just want to revise the homework. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That question we did today. The remaining question you will solve by yourself. One thing on your need copies, okay, MCQs and fill in the blanks and true false are not supposed to be right on your need copies. Just the question that solution will be needed, you will solve on your need copies. So 6, 7, 8 up to 11, this is page number 7. मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, अल्लाह हाफिज़.